Hi, welcome to Sevat recipe. Today I'm going to show you how to do potato wedges. Let's get started. In this boiling water, I'm adding in salt, bicarbonate soda. Now we need to boil this potato to 5 to 8 minutes. Sometimes some potatoes are hard, some potatoes are fast to cook, so be cautious. It is ready now to drain out the water. Now I am preparing the batter, adding in plain flour, corn flour, chili flakes, cinnamon, pepper, salt for enough taste. I am adding here less because potato we already adding. Now we need to add the water little by little to get a good texture of batter. I'm dipping in the boiled potato and adding it into the oil. Put in high flame and fry them until the bubbles are less, and it will be ready to dish out.
If you like this recipe, please share and subscribe to Sevat recipes, and also click the bell icon to get your notification. Thank you so much.